hello and bonjour and welcome back to my channel. Today we have Nomakenolife for the month of August. I'm very excited about this one, and it was a bit more long awaited because usually I get it in the middle of the month prior, like 16th to 18th of the month prior. But this month they were really slow on shipping it out. But I'm very curious, I'm very excited, I'm eager, and let us just dive in. Okay, so I just got it like an hour ago and I'm filming now. Oh yeah. The theme is Neko Glam. We got a cat themed box. I completely forgot. So it looks like this. I'm seeing the most we'll get to it. I'm seeing the most ridiculous items. This is really fun. I'm so excited. I love Nomakenolife. All right. First item. So the first item that really caught my eye in makeup is this, and it's by Tony Moly. Tony Moly is a huge brand, even globally. So many people know it of all of the kind of Korean makeup brands. That's one that's really familiar, I would say, universally. And this is the Bling Cat Tail Eyeliner in glitter pink. And this looks so cool. What? Look at that packaging. This is so adorable. We have the cute little cat on top. This color is stunning. Oh my god. Very fine, like liquid line liner. Line liner? Is that a thing? I don't know if you can see on camera. I'm gonna try and do a nice thick smush. Probably see. That is so shiny and reflective, and it's got the little glitters in it. This would be a gorgeous eye topper. If it went with my makeup, I'd put it... Let me put it in here. My mom would absolutely love this color. Mom, you can borrow it when you come visit. Ooh! I'm just putting it everywhere now. I love this, and I will actually use this regularly. This is too cute. There is only, it looks like, one option for color. I am not complaining. I feel like that's super universal and everybody can use that. That is awesome. Next item, this sticks out very much so because it's literally like the only blue thing. And it is by MN. Yeah, a brand called MN. It's Japanese and it's Neko eyeshadow. Slide to unlock this gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow from Neko. Get one of 20 colors. That's a lot. It says select my color, and I got glitter blue. I'm curious about this sliding situation. Ooh, that's a really cute way to package a shadow. First of all, it's really big, but you literally slide off the cover, and it's a deep kind of shimmery night blue. Now personally, although I do think this color is really beautiful, I'm not going to swatch it, and I'd rather save it and gift it for someone just because I have a lot of very similar shades. However, as a single shadow, I think, first of all, such a great size, beautiful color, and really innovative packaging. I haven't seen that before, and it's quite compact and easy to pop in your bag should you wish to do so. So that is really awesome. All right, I can't, I have to open this because this is, what? Look at this. What? This is the cat face lifting exercise mask. Time for a workout. Build your mouth and cheek muscles with this cat nose shaped face exercise tool. Use it for just 10 seconds a day to keep your cheeks bouncy. And it has the little, like, I don't know, pictograms of how to do it. This is, oh my god, this is just ridiculous. And it says Pico when the girl's squishing it with her mouth. Is it for my mom? Yeah, it was like this really weird long Japanese face weight that you do this with, and it kind of tones your neck and jaw. I got that from my mom years ago, and that was actually quite fun, and you could really feel it working. This is like, this seems weird. Do I have, I'm gonna wipe off any excess. All right, here we go, guys. This is not something I thought I would do. Where did I put it in? I think I did it wrong. I think I'm just, sorry, excuse me. Based on the images, I think I'm just supposed to kind of suck until it kind of does that with my face, which I'm like thinking I can do without this device. Let me take a photo and Google Translate these instructions. In addition to main body, the cheeks are inflated and tightened repeatedly. Once you get used to it, adjust the intensity of your cheek exercise and add load. Use 15 times a day. Bye-bye to your old face. So that didn't really help. Let me just try again. I don't know what to say with this one. Oh, who would have thought this is what I'd be doing with my day-to-day? Because certainly not me.
Not me.
So, let's get back to that final thoughts, but that's unique. All right, next I'm gonna take out this guy, which is, we got another Tony Moly product. This is awesome. This is the Bling Cat Cheek or Jelly Tint. Oh my God, I'm so happy with the color. Oh, sorry, or Jelly Tint, as in I either get the cheek or jelly tint. Oh, I'm happy with this. How cute is this? You get the little cat. It's the same one from the previous product. And this is the blush color. And let me tell you, this is so beyond up my alley. I'm obsessed with this. It is the shade, it said it on the box, Cotton Coral #1. And it has the cute little kitty paw imprints. And I just love this compact. I'm gonna use this. Nobody's getting this as a gift, I'm sorry, but stunning. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it. I just don't wanna ruin the design. Very it's hard to tell, but it's a very lovely, natural, peachy flush. It's one of those where it'll be like, is she wearing blush or is she just blushing? You know what I mean? It's gonna be a gorgeous shade. I'm obsessed. I'm really happy I got this over the lip tint, even though I'm sure the lip tint is lovely. Excellent. All right, next let's get the masks out of the way. For the first time that I've been subscribed, we got a foot mask, and it's a foot mask. That's cool. I feel like foot masks are underrated. They're really, really nice. I'm happy to get one. You put them on as a sock. You leave them on for 10-20 minutes, whatever time you want really, and then your feet are just super soft after. So that's really cool, and again, unique and a little bit different than the usual mask that we get. Every month in each of these boxes we get at least one face mask, and this is the pH 5.5 Jelly Mask and Soothing with I'm Sorry for My Skin as the title, and a very cute little kitten. So just a standard face mask, but with very cute and on-theme packaging this month. So that's awesome. I use these guys every week or two, so always lovely to get one. Thank you for that. All right, we have 2 items left. I'm gonna take out the small one. Okay, this is the same brand as the eyeshadow, and this is the Maliko Pure Lip Gloss. Get photo ready dimensional lips with this 2-layer glittery lip gloss from Maliko. Oh, yeah, it does say 2-layer. I was like, did it not mix properly? If you can see that, up until here it's clear, and down here is a shimmery coral shade. Oh, wow. So the options were sea blue, dreamy purple, blossom pink, or orange sorbet, which is obviously the one I got. This is cool. I've really been loving, because I'm working from home like a lot of people, and I've just been slathering on all the glosses I have, because partially my lips are getting dry, but also to use it up. But will this get ruined immediately? Kinda. It already brought a lot of the orange to the top. Ooh, it really does smell like sorbet. Yeah, it basically already has ruined the integrity. So it's kind of like, what's the point other than that it's cute visually at the start, but it smells nice, feels pretty nice. That's a cute product and a little bit different than your usual everyday lip gloss that you get. Sheer glitter lip. And last, what would a cat-themed box be without Miss Hello Kitty herself? And here we get a lovely hairbrush. I I actually would use this. I need one of these brushes for myself because I've really been using like a natural bristle brush, it's a tongue twister, for a while, and I could use one of these, but how old am I? This is what it looks like. It's quite cute, obviously black and pink. The paint job, not the best, I'm not gonna lie. It looks a little bit dollar store quality and dingy. Oh, maybe, do I need this? It's always the question. It's like, I'm a grown woman. Do I need a little kitty cat hairbrush? Probably. And the other side is white, which I like the contrast with the black with the little pink tips. Pretty good. I think for me, it's a little bit small of a handle, especially with Kitty's feet kind of blocking the way, but I think it could work. Nice and firm brush. Yeah, I certainly haven't gotten a hairbrush before in this box, so definitely, again, another unique item. And that was the last one. All right, you guys, what are my final thoughts on the month of August and Neko Glam? It's cute. It's really, really cute. It's not my favorite, I'll say that right now. It does, however, have some of my favorite products that I have received throughout the boxes in the past. It's one of those like quirky boxes. It's certainly the quirkiest one I've gotten. We just have to address the elephant in the room. What the frick is this? It doesn't even work, and that's the sad part, but it's so bizarre because, I don't know, you want to believe it, and where else would you find something like this? I'll give it another go. Maybe I'll do a week of whatever, the 15 times a day. That's a lot, 15 times a day. I'll see. I might try it for a week and see if I really notice anything. I doubt it, but that's certainly the most bizarre thing, definitely the most bizarre thing I've ever gotten in any of these boxes. The face mask, standard, cute packaging. Foot mask, nice touch. The hairbrush, I mean, it's cute, but it does give a little bit of a cheap vibe, and it doesn't feel age appropriate to me anymore, even though I have some cutesy things, so it's a nice thought, especially to have something so unique. My favorites, 100%, were the Tony Moly products. I'm just gonna set those out now and stop making noise. And then the eyeshadow and the lip gloss, really cute. I prefer the lip gloss. I think the scent is really nice. It smells like orange sorbet, as it says, and it's certainly a little bit unique with the two different colors, but they're just gonna get mixed up immediately. Eyeshadow looks nice, just not for me, unfortunately, with the color, and I just don't need it. But these two, 100% stand out. These, I assume, will be two of my favorite products that I've ever received from Nomakenolife. This eyeliner is, the packaging of both of these, first of all, beyond. Absolutely love it. I am a dog person, but I can appreciate some great cat packaging. This color is stunning. Tony Moly is, wowza, what a brand. And I feel like I can and will use this constantly. And this blush, like, I cannot, chef's kiss, mwah. I cannot say enough how much this is my shade. This is up my alley. I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna be sad to use it because it's gonna ruin the cute little paw prints on it, but these two are just stellar. So yeah, that is the month of August for Nomakenolife, Neko Glam. I hope it's not pronounced Neko. I would assume it's Neko. Ooh, my bad if I said it wrong. But yeah, that was volume number 55. How is it August already? There's like 4 months left this year. Isn't that wild? Isn't that wild? Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a thumbs up and let me know as well if you're interested in any other subscription boxes that you'd like to see on my channel, especially internationally. I would absolutely love to explore more countries and continents with beauty and makeup. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!